Hey guys, I'm new to collecting Zippos, and it started with my wife giving me this as a gift at the end of 2020 for our wedding anniversary. And this is a hexagon armor lighter. You might have seen it in the other video, but this is a beautiful lighter, very solid, and I kind of got interested in it in the whole Zippo line of lighters and collectibles. This one was made in February 2020. I got it at the end of 2020 in December. So just a couple of days ago, I received my first collectible lighter, and what better to start off the collection with 2020 Collectible of the Year. So what we have here is the Z2 Vision. It's been making some heads turn, so I figured I'd get it. It's a beautiful looking lighter. It's got the ZL logo, and it's got the holographic logo as well. And this guy is called Armor 2020 Collectible of the Year. So we're going to go ahead and open the packaging, and I'll show you inside. It's got a really nice texture to it. I'm going to take a close-up here. Just take a look at this packaging. And it says limited edition, 2020 Collectible of the Year, Z2 Vision. Zippo debuts as its first major branding update since 1980, with a dual 360 process design featuring a new Z. Limited to 20,020 pieces. It's interesting. It's at 2020. Each lighter is uniquely numbered and with a authenticated unique stamp at the bottom. So, well, let's take a look and see what it looks like. Oh, and here it is. It's a nice usual packaging. It's got the mirrored packaging on both sides, which shows the lighter's 360-degree engraving. Really, really nice. It's got a nice feeling to it here. It's a laser etching. And then they have engraved the entire Z, which is very unique because it does go on the back as well. It's got the ZL logo and the Armor logo in 2020. It's on black ice. And I've got the 16835 out of 20,020. Just kind of smart. 20,020. If you look at this, this is very heavy laser cutting here. It's quite deep. insert. I haven't fired it yet, but I did remove the flint from it. So this guy was made in January 2020. I ordered it in January 2021. So this is a year old in storage. The usual felt pad. This is definitely heavier golden color or plating on it than the usual. I will give you a comparison here. Brass lighter. That's my daily use. You can see that this is definitely very different. I have a piece of tape in here just to just to hold it right. Yeah, this guy's shiny. I'm not sure if it's gold plated or it's just polished, but definitely very good looking lighter. Sounds really good. The armor case is not so much armor if you think about it, because the way Z is engraved, this is the 1.5 times thicker area, so that's not a whole lot. It's only a little portion here. This is lasered down quite a bit, so if you look at this, it's difficult to focus at this distance, but yeah, and there it is. Very beautiful lighter. I am going to keep it and not use it. Well, thank you for watching, guys.